Hello friends, welcome back to Dream Degree. Today we are going to discuss the question paper of Kannur University PG entrance examination. The first section is choose the closest meaning of the word. Flaunt, which means show off. Robust, which means healthy. And belligerent, which means frightening. Namby-pamby means silly. Suave means pleasant. And the second section is fill in the blanks. Question. A cloud is a dense mass of both water vapor or ice particles. Next, centuries of erosion have exposed rainbow colored rock surfaces in the painted desert of northern Arizona. And next, Neely Rose of Wyoming was the first woman who elected governor in the United States. Next, dry farming is a type of agriculture used in areas which has rainfall less than 20 inches. Next, once known as the Golden State because of its gold mines, North Carolina today mines few metallic minerals. Next, water pressure not only cracks open small rocks but also breaks great slabs of stones from the faces of cliffs. Next, basically there are two types of guitars, acoustic and electric. Next, both longitude and latitude are measured in degrees, minutes and seconds. Next, modern saw plates are coated with a special friction reducing plastic. Next question. Bricks baked in a kiln are much harder than those that are dried in the sun. Next question. Exactly how humans domesticated animals is not known. Next, Jerome Kern's most famous work is Showboat, one of the finest comedies, most enduring musical comedies. Next is the second part, which is choose the best words from the box below to complete each of the sentence. Rajesh gave credit to the input of his research associates and acknowledged that they played a crucial role in the project. And next question. Unfortunately, these results are not borne out by other work in the field, and you are challenged to claim that there is hard evidence to support your theory. There are mistakes in some of your calculations and they need redoing. And the next question. Herbert flows Robert on the validity of his conscience, claiming that his data were flawed and were too limited to be reliable. Next question. This superb article can be viewed as a seminal piece of work which has made groundbreaking discoveries about the nature of cancerous cells. Next is the paragraph and answer the following. So you have to read the paragraph and let's look the question. Which of the following option is most similar in meaning to the word intricate mentioned in the article? The answer is twisted. What is the full form of ITC as per the passage? Answer is International Trade Commission. Next question. Since 1918, the United States ITC has received how many complaints alleging damage from imports that benefit from subsidies by foreign government? The answer is 218. As per the passage, which of the following is second largest producer of rock salt? The answer is a subsidiary of the Chicago firm. And the final question from the passage is, what is the bizarre aspect of complaint? Answer is, the complaint is raised by a foreign firm against a US firm with operations abroad. And the fourth part is speaking. In the conversation below, choose the best question or reply from the option. called the morning star of Renaissance? It's Geoffrey Chaucer. Next, who is the author of Piers the Plowman? It's William Langland. Next, the word ballad is derived from the Latin word which means to dance. The word is ballare. Next, name the first English printer. It's William Saxton. Next, Everyman is a morality play. Next, The Shepherd's Calendar was published in 1579. Next, Spenser's autobiographical poem is Colin Clotus Come Home Again. Word sonnet is derived from the Latin word sonato. Tamburlaine the Great is the story of Senatine Shepherd. The first picaresque novel is The Life of Jack Wilton. Thomas Kidd was founder of revenge tragedy. Life of Shakespeare is written by Sidney Lee. Drink to me only with thine eyes. Whose words are these? It was said by Ben Jonson, which essayist wrote both in Latin and English. Francis Bacon. Thanks for watching and please subscribe and keep supporting guys. Bye bye. See you on next video.